On this Millennial Review, we're going to be talking about some replacement aftermarket batteries for your GoPro Hero 9. What we've got is the TELESIN GoPro Hero battery charging box that also comes with 2 batteries. This is a pretty awesome setup, and I know that because I've been using the precursor from TELESIN for years now with my GoPro Hero 8. So in this video, we're going to do a quick unboxing. I'll show you how it works, and I have some pretty great faith that this is going to be just as good as the old setup. So if you're interested in this, I do have links down in the description below. That way you can get it pretty cheap and fast from Amazon. So as we pop it out of the package, there's a few reasons you might choose this over a traditional charging setup. And the most major reason is going to be the box that we're unboxing right here. So what the box does is it allows you to be able to charge and store your GoPro batteries. And it charges all 3 at once. So you can see here we've got this nice black box. You've got USB-C and some of the regulatory stuff down on the bottom. But that's going to open up to a pretty cool setup. So up here you've got 2 spots to be able to add some micro SDs, and then the batteries that come with it. Pop that out. And this is the new GoPro Hero 9 battery. So a bit bigger in size than the Hero 8s, but these will pop right into place, and it comes with 2. So we'll pop the second one I should show. Second one comes out. That'll slide right in. But of course, the factory Hero 9 battery, that also comes out and can fit in. And that's why you get one with 2 batteries, so all 3 can come in here. So with that closed, that's put together, I just noticed it's got a magnet to it. That holds pretty nice. Now let's go ahead and plug it in with my USB-C cable. You'll see they all turn red. It'll also turn orange when a battery is mostly charged, which actually just happened on the Hero 9 battery. And once it's all done, each one of these will turn green. And the nice thing is all 3 charge off of the same setup. Now, one thing that I kind of miss about this with the old one is the old one had a micro SD slot. So while they were charging, it could be plugged into your computer and charging at the same time. It looks like they didn't do it on this one, and that's probably okay because I'll be honest, I don't think I hardly ever used that. Well, anyways, thanks so much for watching this video on the GoPro Hero 9 battery charging box from TELESIN. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. While you're at it, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in these, definitely check the link down in the description below.